She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Cheyenne's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. I want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Thanks again for watching my videos while I did take a small little break. We actually hit 5K during that break. Thank you guys so much. That is so awesome, and I can't believe that I've hit that milestone on the channel, and it's all because of you guys. For today's recipe, we're gonna go ahead and whip up a delicious homemade loaf style cake. We're gonna actually make a pound cake, and in this case it's going to be a lemon blueberry pound cake. This cake is going to be easy to make because it only does call for a few ingredients, mainly blueberries, lemons, butter, eggs, salt, baking soda, flour, sugar, and some milk. So we're going to take these ingredients and make this into a pound cake style or a loaf style cake. So it's going to be packed full of a wonderful lemon flavor with those blueberries all throughout the cake. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Here online, oh no. 3 other guys on hold. What's your favorite scene? Is it with Megan Fox or Charlie Chaplin? Oh well. Another guy, no style. Push me, baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature brought us today. Yeah, yeah. Time with the protects you send. Emotionally, I still need a break. Oh well, it's just a one night stand. 1, 2, 3, oh hi. It's nice to meet you here online. Oh no, 5 other guys on hold. Then you ask me for my IG, send a little fire saying know what I mean. No, I do,
Yeah.
but not with you.
No.
I said but I never do. Spend my time alone with you. You and I got lost to lose, but I'm not in love with you.
Boy.
1, 2, 3, oh hi. Nice to meet you here online. Oh no, 8 other guys on hold. 4, 5, 6 white bright. Oh man, now that was supposed to be less. Oh no, 100 guys on hold. Push me, baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature brought us today. Yeah, yeah. I like it through your lens. I'll take my time with every text you send. Emotionally, I still need a break. Oh well, it's just a one night stand. Ask me if I like it slow. Got my hand on my It's all so pretty through the phone, but when I see you live, my cap goes vroom. 1, 2, 3, oh hi, nice to meet you. Here online, no no. Need all the guys on hold. 4, 5, 6 white right. Oh man, that was supposed to be left. Don't know, but baby, guys on hold.
Alright you guys, so here I am going ahead and giving the cake a try, the lemon blueberry pound cake. When I tell you this is a delicious cake full of lemon and blueberry flavors, guys, definitely is a hit. And if you do love that flavor combination of lemon and blueberry, give it a try. It's very moist, full of citrus and blueberry flavors. Definitely go ahead and try this one out, guys. So hopefully you did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.